Hi. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. It's really heartfelt because you've been through a lot with us in this past year, and we've all been through a lot with these things going on in our world, in our country here, and I just want to go ahead and tell you how much we appreciate that you've hung in there with us. There's a lot of things that seem to go wrong all the time in our lives, and there's also a great opportunity for us to just stop and think, what can I be thankful for? Maybe it's these lessons. Maybe it's the opportunity to draw like you've never drawn before. Maybe it's somebody that you could tell and encourage. That's also a good thing. I find that happening a lot in my life. When I'm down, it's good for me to get out of myself, and it's just something to be thankful for. I'm really thankful for my Lord. He's answered a lot of prayers for me this year. Maybe you have something else that family or friends or I hope that we've been encouraging to you too. But there's just a lot more than we may think. I just think of even the flowers. I posted flowers on the Facebook page the other day, clear from a year ago, and it's still a blessing. And we've had gardens, and we've had snow, and we've had sunshine and blue sky. It just, if you stop and think about it, there's just a lot to be thankful for. And we're going to keep marching forward and want you to come along with us and appreciate you as a family. There's a lot of people that have had things that have happened that we've been able to step in and encourage. You sure encouraged me. Losing my father in the past week made a big difference, and you didn't have to do it, and I'm thankful you did. And anyway, if you've been wanting to try out the 5-pencil method and my Art Studio online drawing classes, now is a great time. We've temporarily reduced the prices, but if you join right now, you can lock in that rate. Plus, you get a whole month of tutorials free. I just enjoy doing it. And I know that I can't do everything here on camera, but I hope that it's been helping you. And if nothing else, even if it's the same thing over and over again, that repetition, everything about this, the repetitive strokes, explaining it over and over again, just help you to gain that confidence and have that solution that you may not have had in the past, and you're coming out with better work. And then this sale goes on for the next week, and it concludes at the end of Cyber Week. You can find the link in the description of this video for the classes, for the sale, and we also have rolled out several new tutorials that you might want to look at, and I hope that you'll enjoy those. I see that some of you have taken advantage of those. It makes me want to go back and redraw them myself. Anyway, they're all 75% off through this Cyber Monday. And I, again, just want to make sure that you've taken time to concentrate on the good things. I want you to have a blessed Thanksgiving. Maybe that's, again, with family. Maybe it's just thinking about, what's happened in the past year that has made you happy. And picture that in your mind. And again, just appreciate you. I really like the fact that you're my family. I consider you my family, and so does Darrel and everybody else involved. And we're really blessed by that. So anyway, have a happy Thanksgiving, and see you next time.